the thing was, I was leading the India team for like quite some time. I was not being considered because there was a senior wicket keeper there also. So, and I didn't get that second spot because matches in India, they used to only have one keeper. So we were traveling to South Africa, so there was a spot open for a second wicket keeper or a backup wicket keeper, and that was the time I performed well for India A. So we were in Terry in Delhi, and the team was announced, and it was a double bonanza because I was also announced the Chhatrapati Award that year. So on that same day, it was announced. So it was like a very big moment for my family, and it was special. But still, now it is a very big thing because of kids are very well informed. We were pretty very naive. We didn't know the importance, but yes, we know something big has happened, but that was never given that much importance. We always gave importance to the process, to the cricket. Yes, now we have a bigger responsibility, we were always told. There are a lot, the win at Lords, plus we've gone from like not putting a foot on the Lords ground to going and playing there and winning, to I think my best moment would have been in the 2010 West Indies World Cup, where I got a Woman of the Match. So these are the moments which personally you feel they are very big moments. But the last moment, cricketing moment, which was a high in my life, was the day I retired for Western Railway, and from all forms of cricket. I think so that day in that tournament I was the highest run getter, and I was like 38, 39. It's definitely good, because there are women cricketers coming up from every village, every gully, nukkad, whatever you say, everywhere. We today, I think lot of men cricketers who have daughters, they take their daughters along with them to the maidans to coach them. So before it was not like that. Before it was definitely not like that. It was very scarce, because my family was so open-minded, and my brother played, my father never stopped me, my mother never stopped me. But today this is happening. So this is the change. The change will only happen when the change comes in the society. The associations will, start these things only when, they have 600, 700 girls coming for trials, and they don't know how they will, accommodate so many people. For that, the only way to identify talent is match practice. I think the MCA is doing a great job, and it has to be carried on. It just shouldn't be 1 year. It is a process, and yes, they've started putting things in place, and I hope it carries on for years to come. Probably as a wicketkeeper batsman, I look up to people like Adam Gilchrist, because when I started, he was a sensation, and now Dhoni. Nayan Mangia was like really when we were young, and the way he used to cheer the bowlers and guide them. But these are the three wicketkeeper batsmen I look up to. But Adam Gilchrist and Mahendra Singh Dhoni, I look up to them, because they are the people who batted, who are as good batsmen, good wicket keepers. But if you see a different aspect to their career, they have never been unfit. You will never see that Mahendra Singh Dhoni is injured or sitting out, or Adam Gilchrist, he played 99 test matches without a break. So that's not easy. So look at the effort and the amount of he has put into his cricket. See, this was going to happen. The game was going to get big. When we did not know, we were trying that something big happens. We get that attention, that one attention. I mean, I always believe everybody who's played along with me, and all my teammates, we always believe that one World Cup we win, we get that attention from throughout the world. We have the talent, and yes, it is getting big. It is getting big, and I think I just pray the girls work hard. They understand the importance of working hard, because the bigger it gets, the life gets smaller. So that shouldn't happen. If you are an exceptionally talented person, you have to work hard, and the bigger it gets, the more distraction is there. So how they are going to cut themselves off with that distraction, and focus on that game and their fitness, and their discipline is very important. From individual to individual it will change, but if they practice that, the whole, it has to be a whole package. They just can't say, okay, I'm going to do this. No, that discipline, that is also very important to be put in, so that you can perform consistently.